Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be exploring an exciting topic that's sure to interest all you tech enthusiasts out there. Today, we're going to dive into the world of 3D modeling and rendering, specifically focusing on how to use not one, but two graphics processing units, GPUs, in ForgeUI. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with 3D modeling, this video is designed to help you unlock the full potential of your GPU setup. As we all know, working with complex 3D models and scenes can be a real challenge for even the most powerful computers. That's why using multiple GPUs can be a game changer, allowing you to render scenes faster and more efficiently than ever before. But how exactly do you set up two GPUs in ForgeUI, and what benefits can you expect from this configuration in this video? We'll answer these questions and provide a detailed overview of the process. So, let's start with the basics. Why would you want to use two GPUs in the first place? Well, having multiple GPUs allows your computer to distribute the workload more evenly, resulting in faster render times and improved overall performance. But setting up this configuration requires a bit more effort than simply installing another GPU. First, you'll need to ensure that your computer's motherboard is compatible with multi-GPU setup. This usually means checking for features like SLI, Scalable Link Interface, or NVLink, which enable communication between multiple GPUs. Next, you'll need to configure your GPUs within ForgeUI itself. This typically involves going into the Settings menu and adjusting the rendering options to take advantage of both GPUs. You may also need to adjust some system settings outside of ForgeUI to ensure that your computer is using both GPUs effectively. Now let's talk about how this setup actually works in practice. Imagine you're working on a complex 3D scene with thousands of objects and intricate details. With a single GPU, rendering this scene could take hours or even days. But with two GPUs, the workload can be split between them, allowing your computer to render the scene much faster. But how does ForgeUI handle this distribution well? The software uses an advanced algorithm that automatically assigns tasks to each GPU based on their individual capabilities and workload. This ensures that both GPUs are working efficiently together, resulting in optimal performance. So, what are the from our discussion today? First, using two GPUs in ForgeUI can significantly improve your rendering times and overall system performance. Second, setting up this configuration requires a compatible motherboard and adjusting settings within ForgeUI itself. And third, the software's advanced algorithm ensures that both GPUs work together seamlessly to deliver optimal results. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using two GPUs in ForgeUI. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content. Before we go, we'd love to hear from you. Have any questions or experiences with multi-GPU setups? Share them with us in the comments section. And if you're looking for more tutorials or guides on 3D modeling and rendering, be sure to check out our channel for a wide range of videos covering these topics. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.